Hey guys, it's Early Noob and welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a part that if you have a certain amount of coins that you can pass through it. If not, you can't. And this will be useful for like simulators and stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first, you're going to want in server script service, add a leader stats script like this. And you can have a saving leader stats. I have a video, I have a tutorial on that, so that'll be in the right corner. But otherwise, you can just copy this script. You don't need to have it save. So once you have that, you're going to want to make your part. So let's go right now. Just make something, anchor it. You can do whatever you want with it. Then you can set the transparency to something 0.5. Rename this to whatever you want. So in that, you're going to want to add a script like this. And so yeah, this is going to be the code. So you're going to start off leaving this and going local required coins equals to whatever it is. You can change this to whatever you want the thing to be. So like how many coins you need to pass. So for this one, I'm just going to do something like 100. Then you're going to do local function onTouched part. Enter. You're going to do local humanoid equals part.Parent. Find first child of class. Humanoid. Right? Then you're going to do if humanoid and humanoid is a humanoid, then local player equals game.Players get player from character, and then humanoid.Parent like that. Then you do if player, then local coins or whatever you named your leader stat equals player.leaderstats.Coins.Value. If coins is greater than or more than required coins, then part.CanCollide equals false. I did not spell that, did I? There we go. Equals false. Then you're going to do down here script.Parent.Touched. Oops, I spelled that. .Touched connect function. Or no, not function. onTouched. So you can close out of that and test it out. So as you can see, we have 0 coins here, and we cannot go through it. But if we go into current client and go to players, go to go to your coins, set it to whatever it was, so I'll just do 100 or something. We go back, and we can now go through it, because we have 100 coins. However, say we lose coins and go like 99. That is a problem. But it won't matter because, actually no, that is not a problem, because if this is like a simulator or something and you have this but then you buy something, you're still going to be able to go through there. So yeah, that was today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.